Hey Glam Fam, what's poppin'? How's everybody doing today? Welcome to all my newcomers. The look. Let's just get into it, okay? So I'm gonna be 100% real with you guys. This look is based off a blanket. I know. It's weird, but yes, this look is actually based off of a 90s blanket of Pocahontas. It's kind of like a stitched collage of different things put together, and like the main colors of the Pocahontas blanket is the turquoise, the dandelion gold, and the red. There is some purple in there, but I chose to leave that out because I do a lot of turquoise and purple videos. So I'm trying to leave that out and do something different. Now, I will be doing a Pocahontas inspired look for my Disney Princess series. This look is not it. It just so happened to be based off a Disney blanket. Anyway, yes. Again, we have the turquoise, we have the dandelion gold, and the red with the smoky eye. No blush, no highlight, just lip gloss. This is a very semi-natural, kind of, sort of, not really, but kind of, sort of look. The only thing we have popping is our eyes. Anyways, so let's jump into it. I hope you ladies like this video. Our brows and our lids are already prepped. We're just gonna go ahead and jump into it. This is the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place, and the first color that we're starting off with is that turquoise. We're gonna get a nice saturated base for that turquoise before we go on to do our cut crease. Now, after we have our strong base for our turquoise, we're actually going to go in with that white concealer, and we're going to start the foundation for our cut crease. Now, I like to just put a little bit of product on the lid, and then I go ahead and look up just to see where that cut crease actually is. And then I'll go in with a brush just to go ahead and smooth everything out and to make that line as crisp as possible. Now that we have blocked out the shape for our cut crease, we're going to go in with that Juvia's Place palette again. We're going to go in with that orange, and the orange is actually going to start out from the middle, and then it's going to go towards the outside and fan out. One thing to remember is that you want to get the color again as saturated as you possibly can, because we don't want any of that white to shine through. So just make sure you follow whatever shape you created for your crease and make sure you finish it and go all the way out to the extension of that wing. So after we have that orange, we're actually going to switch to the Festivals palette again by Juvia's Place, and we're going to go for that dandelion yellow. And this yellow will act as a transitional color between our inner lid corner color to the outside lid color. So we're going to go from red to dandelion to orange. So it's very important to make sure that you have all your transitional colors on point. So now that we have our dandelion orange in place, we're going in with that really deep red from the Festival palette, and we're just going to focus that color to the inside corners of our eyelids. Now, it's important not to go too far over that dandelion yellow, just because we don't necessarily want the colors to mix right away. We want to make sure that you have a nice strong red before you go on to try to blend between those two colors. Okay, so far I'm okay with how my colors look. We're gonna go in with that white shimmer color from the Festival palette, and we're just gonna add a little bit of that to the middle part of our lid. And the reason why we do that is because we want that middle part to kind of shine and be reflective, so it kind of looks like
the reflection from metal, but it's a little bit too white. So then we went to like that champagne palette color just to tone down the whiteness, and that way it blends better between our red and our orange. Again, we're doing this so it looks reflective. So lastly, in our eyeshadow build, we're actually going to go for that charcoal looking color, and we're only going to apply this color to the furthest outside corners that we can. So this will be like our wing without being our eyeliner wing, if that makes sense. So it's very important that you're not really heavy on that charcoal. You only want it a little, just a little bit, like a light feather. That way it transitions nicely between the orange and the black, because there's such drastic colors. Okay, so far I'm satisfied with how my eyeshadow build is coming out, so we're moving on to our eyeliner. This is the Precision Eyeliner by LA Girl. It's just a standard black one, and we do our wings the same way we do our wings any other day. Okay, so now that our eyeliner is done, we're going to go ahead and prep our natural lashes for our false lashes. This is my favorite mascara, the Intenseif-Eye. And just remember, go up a few times and then go down a few times just to get your base really straight for your lashes. The lashes I'm using in this video, they are the Christina 3D lashes, and these are the 907s. These are super full and super light, so I really like these lashes. So now that we have our lashes in place, we're going to move on to our face process. This is the LA Girl Warm Caramel Liquid Foundation, and we're only going to add just a really light layer to the bottom of our face before we go over top of that with the second half of the duo, the Warm Caramel Powder Foundation. For our waterline today, we are using the LA Colors Auto Retractable Liner, and this is like a basic black eyeliner. The pigment's really nice and it's really easy to get off. That's why I switched to this one versus the Urban Decay pencil liner. They both work really well. This one's just easier to come off. Because this look is a semi-natural look, we're only going to use a clear lip gloss for this look. This is the Clear by Ruby Kiss. And after we do that, we're going to add a little bit of that Glitz Diamond Lip Gloss just to add a little bit of shimmer to the lip. Other than that, the look is pretty much complete. Ladies, let me know what you think about this look. Do you like it? Would you wear it? Go ahead, like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you ladies in the next one.